Hi guys, how you all doing today? Good day and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe by the end of this video. Today's video will be cutting this style that is on the screen. This is a trendy Bubu style that has been out there for a while now. So I want to cut this out and I thought of to do a tutorial on it. So for the trouser, we'll go ahead to cut out the trouser first, then we'll cut out the top. This is 6 yards of fabric. To achieve that size for a size top, I'll be using like 5 yards. Let me just put it on 5 yards. So to cut out the trouser, I'll go ahead to fold the wrong side of the fabric. So I'll fold the wrong side into two, like this. We'll look for the widest place so that we don't waste fabric. This is how I manage my Ankara. And the widest place on the trouser measurement is the towel for me. So I'll go ahead to take the towel measurement first. A towel is 14 inches. That's 28 into 2. So I'll come over here and I'll fold it into 14 inches and add extra 2 inches allowance. So I'll take my 14 inches like this. Then I should be having extra 2 inches allowance. I would make this place my starting line. So I'll come over here and I'll take my 11 1/4. From this 11 1/4, I'll come down after the etiaje. I'll come down by 9 3/4. I will still take the hip measurement over here, 11 1/4 plus 1.5 inch. I'll come up here 11 1/4, then I'll add 1.5 inch. So from this place, I'll connect just like this. After connecting my towel measurement, I'll go ahead and take my towel measurement, which is 28. 28 into 2 is going to give me 14. So I'll come to this place and I'll take my 14 inches and add about extra 2 inches allowance. So from this place, I'll come up by half an inch, or if you have your curve ruler, you can just use your curve ruler to do the slope. So after doing the curve, I will come down here and take my towel measurement, which is 14, and then 1 extra inches allowance. So from this place, I'll connect like this. Now from here, I'll take the full length of the trouser. Our full length is 39. Then I'll be adding extra 3 inches allowance. 1 2 3. This is because the trouser is supposed to be longer than a normal length. Now from these 3 inches that I came down with, I'm going to take the towel measurement. It's a free trouser, so I'll go ahead to take the 14 inches over here, then I'll add 1 inch, then I'll come up here, take my 14 inches and add 1 inch. Then I'm going to use my ruler to connect. Now we will cut out. To cut out the back, I'll fold this one into 2 as well. Then I'll go ahead to add to place the front side. Then on this side, which is my starting point, I will come down. I'll bring this one down by about 1.5 inch on the back side. Then after that, we'll now go ahead to cut. But before you cut, since this place is 1.5 inch, you give a slope. You're going to slant it. Now from this side, just use your ruler, and then to this side, go ahead to cut. By this side, you come out by 1.5 inch as well. So I'm just going to do 1.5 inch. Then from this 1.5 inch, I'll connect to this place, to this side. Then I'll come out by 1.5 as well over here. So I'll just connect like this, or you can go out by 2 inches, but I'll be doing 1.5. So go ahead and cut. Now you see the way the trouser is. This is the back side and this is the front side. So I just cut all the way down, making sure that I measure my 1.5 inch. So this is all for the trouser. I'll open both sides for both the front and back side. Okay. The top is a cut together top. The sleeve is being cut together with the top. So we'll fold as much as we need to, taking the measurement, the shoulder measurement. Since it's into 2, let's assume that the shoulder is 8, and the sleeve length should be around, 10. So we'll do 8 plus 10, which will give us 18. So on this place, we'll take our 18 inches. We still have extra allowance, so we'll fold it back. We'll go ahead to measure again. 18 inches, then plus about 2 inches for folding allowance, which is enough. We'll take the length of the shirt from this HAJ side. I'll take a normal shirt length. A normal shirt length is 25. Then I'll add about 10 extra inches allowance. Then maybe, okay, let me just make use of 10 extra inches allowance. Now from this place, this extra inches, I'll take the shoulder measurement. Our shoulder is 15. 15 into 2 is 7.5. 7.5, I'll come over here to take the sleeve length. Our sleeve length is 10 inches. Now from these 10 inches, I'll come down by 1 inch. And from this 1 inch, I would take the neck measurement. So we're going to be doing 3.5. And then we'll come down by, let's do 6.5. So from this 6.5, connect like this. Now from this place, this neckline, we'll give our slope all the way to the sleeve length, something like this. Now from this sleeve length, we'll check the measurement of a round sleeve. A round sleeve is 18. So let's just do 18 into 2. 18 into 2, that's 9 inches. So go ahead to take our 9 inches and add extra 1 inch allowance for sewing. Now this is where the sleeve ends. We'll use our ruler to connect. From this place, we'll connect to this line. Now that this is done, we'll go ahead to measure the bust. Our bust is 42. 42 into 2, that's 21. And 21 into 2, that is 11. So we're going to be taking 11 inches, then we'll be adding extra 3 inches. Now from these 3 inches, we're going to curve like this. Or you can as well also use your curve ruler. The same thing. Then we'll measure the half length. The half length from this starting point, the half length is 17 inches. Now from that 17 inches, we'll go ahead to take the hip measurements. And hip is, so from this half length, we're going to take the hip measurement. So the hip is 11 1/4. We'll take our 11 1/4, then we'll add extra, let's just say we'll add extra 5 inches allowance. Or let's use 4 so that it's not too big. Then from here, we'll just connect to this place. So we'll go ahead to cut. Now after placing the back side on it, I'll go ahead to still cut it the same way. The neck, you come down by 1 inch, so you do 1 by 3 inches, and then you cut, and also you cut out your front line. So we have something like this already. Like I said, if you want to cut this size, this style, and you're on a big size, you'll be using about 5 inches. So let's cut out the turnover. We'll place it like this, then we'll trace out what we have. So we have something like this that we use to turn the back side of this, and then we'll also go ahead to cut out for the back side. The back side, we'll fold it like this, then we'll place the Ankara like this, and then we'll go ahead to cut. I'm going to be bringing this neck down again, so I'll just bring it down by, let's say I'll bring it down by like 2 inches. So this is the back, and that other side is the front. So now that we are done, that's all for the cutting of this style. I hope my explanation was helpful. You can now go ahead to add pockets or whatever you want to do, but this is the main thing. And also, do not forget to also add your drawstring. So for your drawstring, you can just cut. You can cut a straight line like this. You fold it, you sew, and then you turn to the right side, or you can just sew it this way. You can just sew it this way, whatever that works for you. So go ahead to cut your drawstring, add your pocket if you want to, and any other design. I'll also be showing in my next video how to join all of this together. Thank you guys for sticking by, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye bye.